Since I'm a man of culture, you can go first.
First pick, give me Luffy.
Oh yeah, very respectable.
Yeah, I thought I would start out strong with a heavy hitter. He's a hometown classic, the type of guy that you bring home to meet your parents, just an all-around good dude.
Good choice, he's definitely valid. For my first pick, I'll go with Koji. He's definitely a top prospect, and I could see him being Rookie of the Year.
I maybe would have considered more experienced players in the league, but still a good choice. For my second pick, I'm gonna have to go with Guts. Man's just a beast. Homie doesn't back down from a fight, and you know he would come in clutch in an endgame situation.
Listen, I can't argue with that, but for me, I'm going a different direction. A classic, Goku. The absolute goat of anime, who solos your favorite verse.
For my third pick, give me Kazuma. A true man of culture and a strong believer in gender equality.
I feel like there's way better options, but I won't argue. For me, my third pick is Naruto.